So good morning, students. Yes, we are working on session number 3, which is about create and use template. And in previous class, we have started the introductory part of template. And I have told you that template is nothing but a kind of draft or already made document which we inherit, which we use or which we access for making the copy of a document or reusing purposes. Okay, so how we can access a new template? You can access it by clicking Ctrl plus Shift plus N also, and as well as if you want to access the template, so what you need to do is you need to click on File and then you have to select on New, and there you will find a small arrow and then you will find a template. So using these steps you can access two templates. Now we will discuss how we can update a document from a changed template. Yes, if you will deal with templates, so you can update it also. Supposingly yesterday I have told you about CV template. Okay, so you can also edit it, modify it or manipulate it according to you. Once you have changed it, so you can also reuse it. Okay, so you can reuse the changed template also. So this is what we are going to understand today. So if we make any changes to a template and its styles, the next time we open a document that was created from the template before the changes, a confirmation message is displayed. Yes, very easy to understand, I think. Okay, when we do any kind of modification in any pre-built document, so it will give a kind of confirmation message in which it will ask you to click OK to save the changes. Okay, and to update the document, follow the given steps. So what are these steps? You need to click on update styles to apply the changes, change the style in the template to the document. Select keep old style if we do not want to apply the changed style in the template to the document. Yes, if you are changing, if you are modifying the template, so it will ask you two options. Do you want to update your style or do you want to keep old style also? So according to you, according to your ease, according to your convenience, you can select either of it. Okay, so now we will discuss setting a default template. Yes, this is very important and it's been asked in your previous exam in 1 number question that how we can set a default template. So if we create a document by choosing file, yes, new, and then text document from the menu bar, writer creates the document from the default template for text document. That means the default template is what? Text documents. The inbuilt document template is text document. So if question come in your exam that what is the default template, then your answer will be text documents. Okay, so we can however set a custom template to the default and we can reset the default later if we should so. Okay, so if you want to change your default template from text document to CV to resume to etc to whatever you want to do, so you can set a default template explicitly also. Okay, so this is a very important topic, students, in MCQs also. Now we are discussing setting a template as the default. So most default settings such as page size and page margins can be changed in tools, options, but those changes apply only to the document we are working on. Okay, so the default setting, whatever we do, it will only apply to the page only on which we are working currently. Okay, to make those changes, the default setting for the document type, we need to replace the default template with a new one. So if we want to fix that editing, if we want to fix that modified template, then we have to fix it or then we have to replace it also. So we can set any template in the template dialog to be the default for the document type. So these are the steps you need to follow. First of all, you need to click on menu bar, then you will find file, templates, and then you have to click on manage templates. Once you have accessed the manage templates, you will see that there are so many kind of tools that we can access to manipulate our templates. Once we are discussing it in the theoretical manner, then I will show you how you can do these things to practical manner also. Okay, so don't worry. In the template dialog, open the category containing the template that we want to set as the default, then select the template. Right click on the select template and select set as default from the context menu. And the next time that we create a document of that type by choosing file, new and etc., the document will be created from the template. Okay, so here is the screenshot as I have pasted here. Supposingly I have clicked on CV, then if I will right click on that CV, then I can see that there are 5 options: open, edit, set as default, rename and delete. If you will click on set as default, then it will be your default document, and every time you will open the LibreOffice Writer, then the CV will display to your screen and you can access it accordingly. Okay. So I am going to share my screen also, so the things can be more clear. So here we are in our LibreOffice Writer. So as I have told you that you need to click on file, click on new, and then you can find templates, and you can also access it with Ctrl+Shift+N also. Okay. So here are some basic document. As you can see here that our default document is what? Text document, but if we want to select any kind of default template, so we can select it. Just like here I am selecting resume, and if I will right click on it, so I can see that set as default option here. So if I will click on this set as default option, then it will change. Okay, so I'm not going to change my default setting in this LibreOffice Writer. Okay. So supposingly I am clicking on this. Okay, so here you can see that curriculum Vishay, that means CV named template has been open, and if you want to manipulate it, if you want to modify it according to you, you can do this. Okay, what else you want to understand? If you want to understand tool, you can customize it, update it, whatever you want to do, you can do it from here only. Okay. So you need to explore the LibreOffice Writer. It is very similar but much more convenient if you will compare to the Microsoft Office version or Microsoft Word version, because it is providing us so many kind of extra tools or so many kind of extra formatting tools which we can apply according to our need. Okay, so once again coming to the theoretical portion, changing to a different template. How we can change to a different template? So at times we might want to associate a document with a different template, or perhaps we are working with a document that did not start from a template. Yes. Supposingly you are working on a template on a document, and instantly you want to change that document to a different template. So how you can do it? One of major advantage of using template is the ease of updating style in more than one document. Okay, so if we update style in a document by loading a new set of style from a different template, the document has no association with the template from which the style were loaded. That means कि मान लीजिए आप लोग कोई अपडेट कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, if you update style in a document, हम किसी भी डॉक्यूमेंट में कुछ भी अपडेट कर रहे हैं, हमने कोई न्यू स्टाइल लाया है डिफरेंट टेम्पलेट से, तो उसका कोई एसोसिएशन नहीं रहेगा. सपोजिंगली आई एम वर्किंग इन दिस पीडीएफ एंड आई वांट टू ऐड सम बिजनेस कार्ड विद लोगो सपोजिंग, तो आई कैन इनहेरिट इन दिस पीडीएफ आल्सो. ओके, तो उसमें उसका कोई एसोसिएशन नहीं रहेगा. Instead we need to associate the document with the different template. अगर आप चाहते हैं तो आप उसको association कर सकते हैं. For best results, the name of style should be the same in the existing document and the new template. If they are not, we need to use edit, find and replace to replace old style with new ones. This is not very important thing to do, but it was in your syllabus, so as I have mentioned here, आपको इसकी कोई नीड नहीं पड़ेगी, बट हमें इसको जानना जरूरी है. क्यों जानना जरूरी है? क्योंकि हमें बता रहा है कि कैसे आप किसी एक दूसरे टेम्पलेट को अपने एक एग्जिस्टिंग डॉक्यूमेंट में इनहेरिट कर सकते हो, आप यूज कर सकते हो, और उसका उस पर कोई भी उसका मतलब मिस बिहेवियर इफेक्ट नहीं आएगा आपके पास. यूज आपको क्या करना है? फाइल, न्यू टेम्पलेट, इन द टेम्पलेट डायलॉग डबल क्लिक ऑन द टेम्पलेट वी वांट टू यूज, एज सिंपल. delete any unwanted text or graphic from this new document, yes, and open the document we want to change. Very simple. And if you want to change all, then you will click on select all or the control A. And if you want to copy it, then you will click on control plus C, or you will click on copy. And if you want to paste it, then you will click on edit to paste or control plus V. So this is the very simple topic, but as it was in our curriculum, that's why I have mentioned here. Otherwise it's not very relevant. Okay, so I hope that you have understood how you can change your template, how you can edit your template. Okay, if you are editing the whole document, then you need to select all. If you are copying something, then you need to control C, or then you need to click on copy, or if you are pasting something, then you need to click on edit to paste or control plus V key. Okay, so I think this is very easy. Please give your consent if you are working to updation or modification of your template. Anyone, please? And in last, if you have done with your changes and if you have done with your modification, then what you need to do is you need to click on file, save as, and then you are done with your updation. Okay, so this is how you can access the template, as well as you can change the template, as well as you can set your default template. So these are the some major portion which we need to consider when we are dealing with templates. First, you need to understand how you can create a template, how you can insert a template, how you can change the default template, and etc. Okay, now the next thing is using templates. Yes, writer can only list templates that are in LibreOffice template categories. Okay, and we can create new template categories and use them to organize our templates. For example, we might have one category for report template and other for letter template. Supposedly, if you are working with a multinational company and it has several kind of documentation session and several kind of documentation need and requirements, so what you need to do is you will create an category. So according to that category, you will access a particular template. So categorizing your template according to your need and according to your convenience, we can also do this by managing templates. For doing managing templates, what you need to do is click on file, templates, manage templates to open the template dialog box. As you can see here, screen is visible to everyone, I think. So here in the template box, you can click on manage templates. Okay, so in manage templates, you can select all categories: my templates, business correspondence, draw, styles, and etc. You can filter it according to a spreadsheet, presentation, drawings, and so many things. Okay, if you want to import some other document, other templates, so you can also import from different locations. And here is the template dialog box you need to deal with. Okay, here is the categories, all categories: my templates, business correspondence, draw, MediaWiki. If you will click on MediaWiki, then it will show only the MediaWiki related template. If you will click on presentation, then it will it is not showing anything because I don't think that it is having any kind of templates. My templates, it's blank. Business correspondence, it have 2 templates, and draw, it do not have any kind of draw templates. So here you can find your categories also. Okay, yes. So creating a template category, click on settings icon on the in the template dialog, click on new category on the context menu. In the pop-up dialog, type a name for the new category and click on OK. Okay, so first, if you will click on this setting tab, here it is. So you can find new category, rename category, delete category, and refresh. So if I will click on this new category, and then it will ask me the name. Supposingly I am here creating class 10. Okay. Okay. So this will be now considered my class 10 category. Okay. Here I can find, here it is. Now if you will click on this category tab, you can find your class 10 category also. What if you need to delete it? So you need to click on delete category, select the category which you want to delete. Here I am deleting class 10 category and clicking on OK. It will ask me the confirmation. So yes, clicking on yes, and it will lead you to deleting your desired category. Okay, so this is how you can access the templates category. Here it is. I have also pasted the screenshot also. Yes, after discussing the creating of a new category, we can also delete a template category as I have shown you. You need to click on setting icon and then you will find delete. Then click any desired template which you want to delete. Then it will ask you confirmation and you need to click on yes. Okay. And yes, next thing we will discuss is moving a template. But before starting that, so moving a template, to move a template from one template category to another, select it in the templates dialog box and click on move icon in the bottom center of the dialog box. In the pop-up dialog, select the required category and click on OK. So if you want to move from one category to another category, you can also simply click that drop down list also. But if you are following the basic standard method, so you need to click on move. Then it will allow you to which category you want to jump on. Then you will select that category. Okay. And then deleting a template, very easy as I have shown you. And I have deleted a category also, and I have deleted a template also. First you need to click on file, go to templates, go to manage template option. In the template dialog, select the category that contains the template we want to delete. Select the template to delete and right click to open the context menu, and it will ask your confirmation. Then if you want to delete it, then confirm it, otherwise no. And this is how you can delete a template. So yes students, this is how we have completed our session number 3 also, which was about create and use template. So in this particular session we have discussed how we can create, how we can use, how we can modify, how we can move, and how we can delete a template. So I think you have enjoyed this template session, and I have used about 100 times a word which is template, template and template. So hoping that you all are healthy and safe. So take care.